Chapter 15, Sample Problem Number 8. In each case, a block hanging from a string is suspended in a liquid. All of the blocks are the same size, but they have different masses, labeled as MB, because they are made of different materials. All of the containers have the same volume of liquid, but the masses of these liquids vary, labeled as ML, since the liquids are different. The volume of the blocks is 1/6 the volume of the liquids, and we are asked in this to rank the buoyant force that each block feels. A couple of things that we should pull out. We know that all the blocks are the same size. That's going to be important. Probably that's the kind of thing that should stick in your head. And all of the same containers have the same volume of liquid, and that might be important, and we should keep it. But those same is a kind of word that you should trigger on. So we go back here and we say, well, the buoyant force is the weight of the displaced fluid. So we take the fluid's density times the volume times g, which we can think of as just the mass of the liquid times g. And we see that the buoyant force exactly ranks in the same order as the mass, since everybody has g. So we can just go up here and say, well, what do we have? Well, we have 200 and 200. Those will be the biggest. And then we've got 150, and then we've got 120. So our ranking is that A equals B, and those are bigger than C, which are bigger than D.